because I'm also part of some of the panel sessions as well as the opening and closing ceremonies. Okay? So, before we start, no, kung ay chatting, kidip, nanbetsyo, kunipin ko po. So, please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. So, you're all standing now, so let's prepare to sing the national anthem.
Bayang mag-iib, perlas ng silabanan, hanap ng puso, sa dikit mo'y buhay. Pag-ibigan, isa ka nang mag-ibig, sa pagtutunin, di ka masisingin. Sa nagatang iyong sa simoy at sa tabi mong lugar.
Ilan?
Ang iskat ang makakakita ay hanang dinidig. Ang lituwigan, jacket, ang may dinigdig.
Kể phía chất lượng tôi lại kịp lá đằng sừng đầu sư dần cao
So,
là
pagkatapos enjoy Fredo, so everyone can take their seats.
首先同溪嘅這個天上面是難啦，阿娘同溪接受到嗰邊電車庫，按2016年，我打算撇一步，咱向左看，咱向水行。bắt đầu chào cái mặt thu chào cái cái xuân chào cái yên cạnh lại xa không có trái sống sông là nằm đẹp ý lại Lan Nang Symposium 2026 Davao Trung-Hoa High School y không ngốc làm mơ chỉ tiền dòng họ cao trong bình thôn
So what you just watched was a teaser video that we released months ago in preparation for today's symposium. So ayan no, again, welcome to the Lanang Symposium 2026 Pandil Taigay Lai Tambune Lanang Symposium 2026. So for the very first time, no, we have brought the symposium outside of Metro Manila to make sure that voices of other Lanangs in different parts of the Philippines are heard and we are not limiting our scope to just Manila. Okay, so ayun po, no, I am in charge of the opening and welcome. So let me run through briefly about what the symposium is, what you can expect here for today. Para din sa iya na where did your money go? Okay. So ayun no, let's talk about this year's theme. Kasi kini ho, kung kaktit na, it is very important. We think that it's really important that we are paying attention not just to the Manila Lanangs, but also Lanangs coming from the different parts of the Philippines. That's why we brainstormed and came up with the theme Beyond Boundaries, no? Chowke Piet Kai, no? Beyond Tradition, Chowke Kong, and we are going to reimagine Danang Uy for this particular year's symposium, no? So what is it really? It is a community gathering for language, no? Kasi yun nga, the main focus of when people say Lanang, what comes to mind is actually not just your culture, but it also encompasses the language, memory, your identity, no? Yung pagkakakilala natin sa sarili natin, creativity, and future making. Kasi, no, we all have to think na our forefathers came from Fujian in China, no? Hokkien-Xiang in China. They came here, they took roots here, and then we will not be here if it were not for them, no? So, across the 2 days of the symposium, we will be hearing different stories, different experiences from different people in the community. So, we are looping back to the question, Kana ni Davao? Why did we pick Davao? Kana Zitun Yo Kam Zai Tai Ji. Why do we need to talk about this now? No? Like we mentioned earlier, for the first time, we brought the symposium beyond Manila. So, given that we had participants from Davao in last year's symposium, we decided to bring it to Davao because we know that there are people who are very much excited, passionate, and looking forward to share their stories with everyone. No? Kasi the Lanang community is not just limited to one person, one geographical location. We need to take a look at the whole picture as well. So, thinking of that, no? Not just yung Davao ukay kiya Lanang history. Davao has its own Lanang histories. Lanang Kadil, na Kyati Davao, no? There are Lanang families living in Davao. No? Speech styles, kasi we need to think na given the diversity that is present outside Manila, no? We have other languages in the picture when we talk about Davao City. So, siya nga ay Hapong Bisaya. Does anyone know how to speak Bisaya in the room? May I see a show of hands? Okay, so there are several of our participants, no? Pero aside from our local participants, let me see a show of hands, no? Maybe the volunteers, maybe some of the participants. Siya nga, Hautimay, Dai Davao, who's first timer in Davao City, no? So there are some of us who came to Davao for the very first time. So for those who are first timers here, maybe we can take advantage of the Lanang wall at the back, no, so that we can share what we think of Davao and what stories we would like to share, no? So migration stories, yun nga, we won't be here if our forefathers haven't left China in the body Tayo, then we will not be here, no? Schools no open, so that tells you na we need to think that the culture in each location that has a Lanang community in there are differences. Maybe the upbringing, maybe the style of discipline, maybe the way that emotions are being processed, maybe the way the language is being taught, no? And more importantly, fashion. Mga butkoy na pututong, hotap. It's not necessarily easy questions to answer kasi, yun nga, we are here, gathering here today para we will know what the community thinks. So bringing the symposium to Davao, look, we have regional voices. So again, not centered on Manila only, para again, we will be able to listen to everyone's opinions. And you can. Central theme is the story cannot be told from Manila alone. So, sige symposium si Shami. What is this symposium? So, sige symposium si community space wherein dapat niya listed, dapat ko we speak, Let the diet sip, we practice. Let them it, we will remember. Let them mung, we question. Disagree kindly, we emphasize on the kindly kasi we are here to foster an environment of respect wherein everyone's opinions will be listened to and taken into consideration. And we will imagine what kind of a future can we have given that everyone is gathered here today. Some sessions teach language. Session cutting Some sessions will teach people how to speak that language. So may I see from the participants, are all of you, do you all have a background in that language? Even just a little bit. So from my left side of the room, I see a show of hands. But don't worry, we have special sessions for that, wherein Marvin, who will be talking about how to speak that way. So some tells stories. There are breakout sessions, paper that will be touched upon stories of people's experiences, how they identify as Lana, what makes them Lana, and how do they see the Lana community evolving? Some ask difficult questions. Kasi yung kaya stick to just tradition, no? Kasi we have so many changes right now that we are expected to be able to adapt, no? And then some invite play, creativity, and reflection. So we together. Every person brings a piece of the story. Kasi what I experience, my experience, and your experiences are not necessarily the same. There can be common grounds, but they're not 100% the same. No? And we together help shape what comes next. So yun yung role nyo dito today. That is your role here as to why we have this symposium. I would like to briefly invite one of the conveners, Dr. Wilkinson Wong Gonzalez, to talk about why we need such an event because this is a very timely thing right now.
Alright, so again, Wataki. I'm Will Wilkinson Gonzalez. You can see, you remember my name in the emails I sent, right? I think all of us have experienced that email where I said, oh, everyone should register, but it's about to be cancelled. Well, it's true. It was really about to be cancelled. So I'm really, really thankful for all of you guys for registering and making this event possible. All right, so basically the Lanang Symposium is a brainchild of mine. It happened, the first version was in 2024, right? It was in UP in Diliman, in Manila. And at that time, I was thinking, oh, we have so many conferences, we have lots of spaces and gatherings in English, in Mandarin, in a lot of other languages. But how about the language that we grew up with? Like, how about Lanang Wele, Kanaboa? Why don't we have a space where we can talk about certain things? Regardless of what your background in Lanang Wele or Hokkien is. Alright? So, in a lot of us, I'm not sure if it's your experience, but in my experience, when I was a kid growing up, I always get reprimanded by my parents for mixing my Hokkien with English and Tagalog. And they always say, oh, hindi halo-halo ah. Which is very ironic because they're using halo-halo, which is already a mixture, into their Hokkien. So it kind of made me wonder why people would react this way. And it's for me, based on my experience, it's kind of harmful because it makes me feel that I'm not a good enough speaker of Hokkien, and maybe I'm not Lanang, I'm not Chinese, I'm not Chinoy enough, right? So that's kind of like the motivation for the symposium. It's kind of like to give people a space, a kind of platform to kind of like talk about some insecurities, depending on regardless of what their level of Lanang is or Hokkien is, people can learn from each other, and maybe people who think that people should speak a certain way can also learn from people who feel judged for the way they speak. Okay, so that's kind of like the gist right? The reason why we want to have a symposium here, not just in Manila, not just in Davao, but everywhere else in the Philippines, is to really create this network and also a space for people to discuss things. As Zed said, basically we want people to talk to each other, right? I'm gonna skip. All right, that's it. That's my part. Thank you.
So we have divided the symposium into a two-day arc, no? Kasi tama na kung hige themes, no? We were talking about the themes kanina. The first day will be focusing on beyond boundaries, and the second day will be focusing on beyond tradition. So yun nga, no? Distinguishing Manila and Davao, and then we will also talk about what we inherit, what we keep, what we adapt, what we challenge, and what we reimagine. Okay? So together, as a collective, we would like to ask that Meng, kasi I'm pretty sure that if this goes unanswered still, no, the reason that why we gathered here will not be very, hindi siya magiging kasing significant if this question still remains unanswered. So that Meng, we need to ask what divides us, what connects us, and what we should carry, what should we carry forward. Like, I know that we are aware of our own levels of Danang Way. Do I have to be fluent? Do I have to speak? Should I speak Danang Way in this symposium? Not necessarily. So, no. Kasi sige symposium, this symposium is not a test of your fluency. We are opening doors for you to actually learn more if you think that your language level is not yet enough, no? This is the perfect time for you to learn. Okay, so how the symposium works is ganito, no? Let's gather as one community. We gather as one community. Then, nga po breakout sessions. We will have breakout sessions later. So, enjoy po, you can choose as to which track would you like to be in, no? So the smaller sessions will be held downstairs, no? Please look for breakout rooms A and B at the second floor. We will then get to practice, reflect, discuss, and create. And then, kaulobe, no? We return to the larger group to connect what we learned. Kasi yun nga, ang pinaka-important for essence of this symposium is we get to share what we've learned, what we've heard, what's new for you, what your takeaways are, para at least, no, you will be able to say, the reason why this symposium exists is that we can keep the story going. Okay? So what is a breakout session? I believe that this term got to be around since the COVID times, no? So it's a breakout session, it's a session, so it's a smaller session wherein it happens at the same time as another session. So yun nga, no, you have to choose just one, no? Wala mo tayong teleportation powers. We cannot asexually reproduce so that we can be in the two breakout rooms at the same time kahit gusto natin makarami, no? You just have to pick one. You can choose track A or track B. So there are sites naman at the doors of the breakout rooms so that you'll know which breakout room to go to. So the program also lists each breakout session and where it will be. Okay? So 2 tracks, 1 conversation. So track A is more focused on the BTN, no, or the language. No? So this is where we will discuss how do we speak, learn, write, teach, and use Danang Way. And then yung sa track B naman is more about the experiences of people, the heritage, the culture, no, how do we live the Danang identity, how do memory, family, migration, tradition, and belonging shape who we are. So depending on what matters we do more, no, that will help you decide as to which breakout room to go. So let's do a brief rundown of the program. So nasa opening and welcome pa lang tayo, no? We will be hearing from Lawrence later. I'll call him off the stage in a bit. So session 1 will be a panel talk show, no, wherein Danangs outside of Manila, including myself, will be sharing our experiences, what we know about Danang Way, how we embody, how we embrace the Danang forms perfect. No? So we will be discussing these questions tomorrow, no? Given that we have an open forum for everyone to share their thoughts. So I hope din watang tulpi din mga tapat, no? I hope you'll be able to prepare your answers for these questions, no? So we connect all answers from all sessions and we will name what still needs dialogue kasi yun nga, discussion that needs to be done. Okay? We listen for agreements, tensions, gaps, and possibilities. We ask what Manifesto 2.0 should carry forward. Now, in your program booklets, there is a Lanang Manifesto that was written in 2024. So you may take a look at that and help us identify what needs to be updated. And the assembly is not the end of the conversation. No? So, ayun, a preview of the Lanang Manifesto. No? You can read it from your program books and you can also take a look at the Lanang Archives website for this one, no? Kasi this will give details as to what the definition of Lanang is, what Lanang Way is specifically, like what it means to the community. But maybe it's a time for an update if you think that it should be updated to adapt to the changing times. No? We will be discussing these tomorrow kasi we know that your feedback, your inputs will be valuable if we decide to update and come up with a Lanang Manifesto 2.0. So, we also have Lanang orthography. What is this about? So, Lanang orthography is a way that we can spell Lanang Way because some people have the misconception na Lanang Way is purely verbal. No? Pero we have found a way to actually put it in written words para at least, no, you'll be able to recognize na, oh, so this is what this character means. No? It's spelling Lanang Way, the Lanang Way, and it's a writing system derived from Latangs by Latangs for Latangs. No? So this is an example of what Lanang orthography looks like. No, the English is on the left, the Lanang orthography is on the right. So we have projects like the Lanang Stories, no, in which we utilize Lanang orthography so that it will be more relatable for the people reading it. And a picture right there, no, sa taas, yung may anya, no, that is from the Nyamwars game na wherein people use Lanang Way to play the game to win. No? So, why do we find this important? No? Kasi there is no set way to write it Lanang Way. No? So, we are trying to come up with something para mas relatable siya sa mga tao, mas ma-visualize ng mga tao na, pwede pala siya isulat. No? It can be written para at least, no, for someone learning, no, some people would be more visual learners than auditory learners. So the Lanang orthography is a very helpful guide, no? So this language incorporates elements not just from Hokkien but also from English and Philippine languages like pwede Tagalog, pwede Visaya, no? Let's come up with something. So people vary in how they write Lanang Way. Yun nga, walang standard. Kaya the objective of having Lanang orthography in place is for people to have uniformity, pero when it comes to the time na what you decide na, ay ka, Lanang Way, I want to teach Lanang Way to maybe my kid, my grandkid, no? Kasi some of the participants here are belonging to an older age group. So, at least, no, they will be having something tangible na magagamit nila as reference for them to teach Lanang Way properly. No? So some use Roman letters while others use Chinese or Han characters. So pag Chinese characters kasi not everyone can recognize it right away. So the Lanang orthography would be very, very helpful if your background on Chinese characters is not very solid. Okay? So may I call on Mr. Lawrence Edward Yu to give his opening remarks.
Hello, like you all. So I just want to thank everyone. Thank you for all coming. And what's this? Welcome to the Lanang Symposium 2026. So I remember when Will, I just want to share, when Will first brought up the idea, maybe we can bring it to Davao. I personally found that very exciting. And I think this is also something that, it's something that's very close to my heart, being someone who grew up here in Davao and is concerned with the language as well. And I believe that that's also the way you feel about it for everyone here who's actually attending. So I just want to say thank you. It's really, really encouraging. Although there were some there were some points when I had to ask, can this actually take off? Or kami who, what if it, or eventually, or what? But seeing the turnout today, it's really, really exciting, really encouraged, and we're just really, really excited to share the things that we've compiled, the things that we've learned as well, and we're also excited to hear about all the other things that all of you can share to this Lanang community, to our Lanang Way, because just like Lanang Way is, for the fact that it's called Lanang Way, Lanang Way. This is our people's language, and this is something that we're excited to claim together, all of us together. So not just for the Chinoys in Binondo, not just for like the Chinoys in Binondo, but also here in Davao, and soon the rest of the Philippines. So enjoy. We hope you enjoy this, and dosa.
So like I mentioned before the start of our program, we are selling merch at the back portion of this room, close to the registration table. So what do we have there? So we have the Lanang Stories books, if you would like to get your kid, your grandkid started on Lanang Oy. This is a very good starting point, kasi these are children's stories we incorporated some values, education, and then we also made it a little interesting so that we can grasp the attention of our little ones. So we have the first two books in the Lanang Stories. We are actually coming up with a third. The first one is Ansol, Hige Lanang, a wizard ng Banawe, and Ya Special, Sige Lanang na adventure, And aside from the storybooks that are geared towards children, we also have the book by Wilkinson. You saw him already earlier, and you'll see more of him over the next days. So today and tomorrow, you'll see more of Wilkinson kasi he's the one behind the Lanang Symposium. So his research-based book, Our People's Language, is also available for sale at the back. It's 600 pesos a copy. Very, usok-lusok sa learnings po yung book ni Wilkinson. And also, we have Young Wars, available for pre-order, if I'm not mistaken, So, Wilkinson will be talking more about the board game Young Wars, in which Lanang Way will be used, so that you can advance in the game. So, DNA stickers, thank you to our supplier in Manila for making it possible, So, you can inquire about the prices of these merch sa likod. So, there are bundles, like storybook bundle, old book bundle, and shock sticker bundle, very affordable, Like, you can buy these to help you remember the good times you had in the Lanang Symposium 2026. So, you can visit them during the break time, Pero at least, ma-appreciate nyo yung effort ng mga speakers, ng mga breakout sessions for these these 2 days, So, the steering committee, we'd like to acknowledge and recognize the efforts of these people, no? So, I believe this is a video, so pakiplay po sa taas. Thank you. So, co-conveners Lawrence Albert Yu and Wilkinson Gonzalez, no? And then these people, the creatives of the TNA, no, program care of Wilkinson and Lawrence, and the people in Kaisa para sa Kaunlaran and the Lanang Archives, no? So these people made it possible. Okay, so we have our co-organizer, Kaisa para sa Kaunlaran, no? So last year we had our Lanang Symposium sa Bahay Chinoy. It's also thanks to our partnership with them, no? We'd also like to acknowledge our major sponsors, no? The FFCCCI, OISHI, Filipino-Chinese Youth Business Association, Philippine-China Friendship Association, and our institutional partners, our venue for the day, Davao Chongma High School, Kaisa Heritage Center, Bahay Chinoy, Lanang Stories, UPCSA, no? Media partners, Chinoy TV, Chinatown TV, Film Jock, PH, and our minor sponsor, Microforms PH, Microforms Incorporated. So registration fee sponsors, we'd like to thank Miniso Jimol Davao and anonymous donor, Mrs. Jill Law and Mr. Kent Lau Gomez. So you know, our rundown for today would be, patapos na yung opening remarks and opening and welcome, no? So in a bit, we will move on to session 1, which is the panel talk show, which will have me and a few other friends that is moderated by Timothy Stanley Lima, no? So, ayun po yung natin for the first part of this morning's symposium. So, thank you everyone. Now, we will just set up here para we will start with session 1 already.
Right, so thank you everyone for coming. For now, we're still actually quite early. We have like 8 minutes, so let's take a really quick break before we move on to the first part of our symposium first session, which is Lanangs across the Philippines. So, so feel free to take a quick bathroom break. We will come back at 10 o'clock. Then, 1 later. That's okay.